So, sir, basically, we develop a white labeled mobile application. White labeling in the sense
Mhm.
building an application in the name of your coaching institute and with your own branded logo. Okay, we
Okay.
list your
Okay.
application in Play Store, I mean in Android as well as iOS, and also we
Mhm.
do website domain integrations so that student
Okay.
can access to your things in a laptop or desktop as well. So this
Mhm.
screen, what you're saying is this is our admin end in web portal. Here you
Okay.
can able to see the batches. So I have created some 95 batches for the demo
Okay.
purpose. In the same way,
Mhm.
you can create unlimited batches. Per
Mhm.
student, like per batch, you can add up to 10,000 students. This is the limit we
Mhm.
have. So once you create a
Mhm.
batch, you can select the batch start date. You can modify the batch code so that student, if
Mhm.
they want to get into this particular batch, they need to have a batch code with them, or they need to get added by the faculty or the admin.
Mhm.
Okay. Then you can add the course, you can select the category, and you can add your subjects, like which and all subjects you will be handling to this particular batch.
Okay.
Then we can set our batch timings from Sunday to Saturday, which class you will be taking by which
Mhm.
faculty. You can select the subjects here and you can select your faculty member here. So you can add your
Mhm.
faculty members here. Just give the faculty
Mhm.
name and mobile number. So that
Mhm.
faculty will download our application from Play Store and they will get a faculty
Mhm.
access. So you can mention
Okay.
the start time and end time of this particular class.
Okay.
Then we can add our students list here. So while adding,
Okay.
we have three types, sir. One, we can
Mhm.
add them manually by entering their name and mobile number.
Mhm. Mhm.
And one more, we have like a marketing panel, app downloads. We have a
Mhm.
panel where you will get all the students, those who have downloaded your application, sir. Student name,
Mhm.
mobile number, and
Mhm.
email ID. These three things you will get it.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay. So, and one more thing we have, like we can add them through Excel files in a bulk, sample Excel
Mhm.
files. Okay. Then we can add
Okay.
our faculty members here. So once you add your faculty, so you
Mhm.
need to give them certain permissions. So that faculty's name will
Mhm.
come here. So after that, you
Mhm.
can give some permissions. If you give batch editing option enable,
Mhm.
so then that
Mhm.
faculty can like he can create a batch, he can add the students, he can add courses into the batch. Okay,
Mhm.
fine. So then we go to attendance feature. Whenever you are conducting a live classes through the platform, you will get a
Mhm.
auto generated report, Excel report stating student
Mhm.
name, number, email ID,
Mhm.
when they came into the class and when they came out from the class. A report you will be
Okay.
getting it, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So here, like with the student, we can add the student parents as well. So here you
Mhm.
will be having that option under student name.
Mhm.
Under basic
Mhm.
information, student name, mobile number, email ID you can add. You can mention the date of joining. You can add his registration form, another contact number, parents information. So just to give
Mhm.
the parent name and mobile number. So the parent will
Mhm.
download our application and they will get a access of parent access they'll get, sir.
Mhm.
Okay. So whatever the necessary information you want to convey to the parents, you can just do it
Mhm.
through your own application, sir.
That is, if the student is absent for 3 to 4 classes continuously, we can send the messages.
Yes, yes, sir. Parents
Mhm.
module is
So
available,
that
sir.
setting can be done automatically
Yeah,
whenever there is absentees for huh?
yes, yes, sir.
Okay. This is only for online classes, what you are telling.
Yeah,
What about offline classes also we can take attendance?
yes, yes,
Is there
absolutely we
any
can.
storage database?
Yes, yes, we have that option, sir. So you can have an
Mhm.
option of mark attendance. So you can add the
Mhm.
topic. So enter,
Okay.
like let's say you can enter any topic. Just click on save. So depending upon
Uh-huh.
student, if he is absent or present, you can just select the toggle.
Okay.
Just click on mark attendance. So, okay. So
Mhm.
once you mark this attendance, later student will get their attendance reports, sir, at their end, at their faculties, parents.
No, no, you choose you did it for one student, no? We have to
Yeah.
go for every student like this.
Yes,
It
sir.
will take a lot of time, no?
Yeah, by default, this is for manually for offline classes we are doing, sir. So because like automatic, like online classes in the sense, so you no need to take any attendance. A report will be generated by default. This attendance is
Huh?
there for offline classes.
Mhm.
Yeah. So later,
See, attendance, see, can you make it like offline classes, just ticking check boxes or check circles,
that is what, sir.
whoever
This,
present?
yeah, this is nothing but that one only. So see,
Uh-huh.
1 minute. This is nothing but a dialog box, sir. See, you can just select or unselect. Black is absent, green is present.
Okay. No, that's okay. But there will be student list is not there, no?
So as of now, I'm a single student added to this particular batch, sir.
Okay.
So you
So
can add
you will
10,000
get the
students.
student list.
Yeah,
Okay.
obviously. So I'll
Uh-huh.
show another batches wherein I have some
Yeah.
more number of students. Let me show you. Just 1
So
minute.
in front of the student, there will be toggle button.
Yes. Yes.
You can enable, disable, absent
Yeah.
or
So yeah.
present.
So this one batch, I'm having some, wait, 14 students I'm
Mhm.
having. So I'll just go to
Okay.
mark attendance. See?
Mhm.
So this is the option you have.
Mhm. Okay. Got it. Okay.
So you can send the SMS alert also. If you don't want, app notification will be sent automatically. By
Mhm.
default, app notification is there. If you want SMS, Mohammed
Mhm.
Mustafa entered. Okay, 1 minute.
Mhm.
Okay. So this is how we can take the attendance manually. So this will be helpful for
Okay.
you for the offline classes. So
Offline
once you,
classes, right?
yeah. So once you
Right.
mark this attendance, so student will
Mhm.
get a report stating if they are present, 100% attendance will be given to the student, and at the same time
Mhm.
they can rate your lecture. They can give you a star for your coaching. Sir. I mean for your lecture.
Mhm.
Yeah. So this one you asked, like it would be,
That we can enable and disable also, no?
yes, sir.
That
Student feedback we
feedback,
can,
student feedback,
yes,
because sometimes it will be dangerous.
yeah,
Huh?
yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yeah. Then we have like a student list. So those students have added into my batch. We can able to see them here. So these inactive in the sense those who haven't paid, they will be there in the batch, but they cannot access your contents like video classes or live classes. They can't access your recorded videos and study materials. So they will be there in the batch. Then we have assignments. So here you can give worksheets to your students, homeworks kind of things. Just go to create assignments. You can select to whom and all you need to send the assignments.
PDF format or
Yes,
written notes, images.
yes, anything is acceptable, sir. So you
Okay.
can select the submission date, like when they need to submit. You can allow them for late submission as well. Here you can give your instructions. Let's say submit on time. Attachment includes here documents, images, and then voice notes. These three things you can attach.
Okay.
You can alert students via SMS, as well as like if you click this dialog box on inform when assignment is not submitted, you will get an automatic reminder. Sir. Okay, create assignment. This assignment is been created. So student will get this assignment in their tab. They can submit their answers to images as well as documents.
Okay.
Then we have announcement panel. So here sometimes you may need to give some instant announcements to all the students, those who have added in the batch. Go to create announcements. So you can make it here. Hello all. So you can attach anything, the circular if you have. So then click on post.
Okay.
Then we have tests. So do we conduct online examinations? Like I'm asking you, sir, do we conduct any online exams?
Not yet, but of course, we need to conduct in if there is any lockdown or something like that.
Yeah, because like for placements and all, there will be online exams will be there.
Yeah, of course, that will be there.
Yeah. So here, like our application will help you, sir, in conducting online objective exams. Questions type will be MCQs,
Okay.
true or false, fill up the blanks, integer type question, comprehension question. Online exams we can conduct.
So question bank we have to upload.
Yeah. So we can upload our questions through a PDF file, as well as we have our separate
Mhm.
portal for conducting online exams, wherein you can
Mhm.
conduct exams. You can mention, you can create your own sort of questions, and you can give the answers, and you can mention the solution as well. Once students submit their test, they will get their results, sir, and they will be getting to know like where they have
Mhm.
went wrong. So once I'll show you one of my report. See, so this is the student have been
Mhm.
attempted, student name,
Mhm.
her marks,
Mhm.
and what's her grade.
Mhm.
So if you go to sectional
Mhm.
details, so
Mhm.
test summary you can able to see here. So
Mhm.
if you click on view solution, yeah, this will be our user interface of the test, sir. Here you can also track per each question how many seconds or how many minutes that particular student has spent.
Okay. We can we set our internal assessment IA1, IA2, something like that
Like
through
anything, sir.
this?
Sir, in the sense,
We can store the IA marks, then
internal
university
assessment.
marks. Is there any facility?
Uh, in the sense,
University marks,
one minute.
IA marks
I mean internal
database,
assessment. Mhm.
internal assessment. Then
Okay.
final KD result will come now. So that
Mhm.
mark sheet, that marks.
Marks, 1 minute, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. So is the if that facility is there, especially for university marks?
Sir, Mustafa sir, can you help me in this? Is that facility available?
Sir, like there is we have already fixed the facility, sir. It means there is a report already with us. So
Okay.
some Rajesh Rahul, we can show to sir regarding how the student report will be displayed
Yeah, 1 minute.
Mhm.
once the exam is completed, online exam.
Because IA exam will be conducted by the college.
Right, sir.
Then there should be a facility to store the university results.
Yes, sir.
Your
There is an
university
option.
marks.
Sir, there is an option, sir. We have that.
Okay.
Rahul, I will be sharing you some of the screenshot to you. You can
Okay.
share to sir. Sir is
Okay.
asking that like the
No,
university level, what
it
is
is
the grade?
okay if that facility is there.
Yeah, yeah. Sir is asking that
And
the
another
thing.
thing,
Sir is asking that one thing. What is the university level report and what is that report? We have different.
Mhm.
okay.
Yeah, sir, we have.
And then, sir, another one thing. Is there any facility to create the student profile? Student
Yeah.
profile means, so what was his marks in his first year, how he improved in the second year, or he's
Yes,
not
sir.
improved,
There
something
is an
like that.
option.
In I,
Yes.
Yeah, we have that
Okay.
option, sir. Just 1 minute. Under student tab, just I'll show you one thing. 1 minute. So I have clicked to Dilip. He's one of my student. Okay, I'll just go to his performance. So here I can
Mhm.
able to see a graph. See,
Mhm.
like a score in percentage and how many test for how many test. This is the complete report you will be getting it, sir.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Then like summary or profile, like how he performed in the first year, second year, how he has he improved or not, something like that.
That's what, sir.
In
It will be showed in the graph, sir.
okay.
It will be showed in the graph.
So first semester, second semester, third semester, fourth semester, like this semester wise.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, in the form of bar chart or
Yeah, sir. Here there is an option, sir, where you can see
uh-huh.
the performance of the students by a chat flow chart. Just by that,
Mhm.
however, you will be conducting the examination, it will be appear in the same way, sir. In the which month you
Mhm.
have conducted and how the previous exam was, he was given the result and how is this month result. It will be very
Mhm.
clear. By that,
Mhm.
student also come to know, as well as if you can see that there you also can clearly can be seen what is his performance, what is his details by the batch by examination.
Mhm.
Yeah. And coming part of the report you have asked me, sir, I have shared to Rahul. Rahul, share the screenshot to the sir. I have shared in the WhatsApp to you.
Okay.
Okay. Then we can upload the videos of recorded classes.
Yeah, surely.
Yeah, sir. Here we can upload the videos of recorded classes also, sir. We are providing two options, sir. One is if you have already the links which you have created in the way of YouTube, that also you can upload the video links also. As well, there is an option where in the store you can upload the videos, sir. You can upload
Okay.
unlimited videos, and the capacity can be maximum 5 GB per video.
Okay, 5 GB. That means how much time it will allow? I don't
It
know.
depends,
I'll
sir. I
calculate.
think, Mustafa sir, I'll continue with this. So basically,
Yeah.
here we have two categories, sir. One is batches.
Uh-huh.
So mostly,
Okay.
as you are in the placement, as you are the placement coordinator, so batches will coming in help you, sir. So under batches, we have a YouTube embedding, sir. We have a video portal wherein, sorry.
Yeah. YouTube embedding is okay.
Yeah, YouTube
I
embedding in
think
the
it will
sense
allow us
you
to-
will be uploading your recorded videos to your YouTube. Then you need to make the
Okay.
video format as unlisted, sir.
Okay.
Okay, just copy the link and come here,
Uh-huh.
just paste the link, sir.
Okay.
Here, students,
So videos can be seen here.
yeah,
Here only.
unlimited videos we can upload here, sir.
Okay. Videos will be seen on the platform itself. It will not take us to YouTube.
No, sir. Because the reason is we have integrated JW player inside. So which will never allow, or which it will never redirect the student to the YouTube. It will play in the application itself.
Application itself, and there should be security that no other video like related video should not be shown.
No, sir. No, only that
Whatever
particular video will be shown. Only that particular video will be shown. And here also security is highly there, sir. Student can't take screenshot. They can't record your video. They can't download your video. They can't share with other peers.
Is there any facility to allow the student to download also? Not necessary, no, actually.
No, sir. No,
Each student has his own app.
Yeah, they have their own app. They can able to see at their convenient time, sir. Because however videos size will be more, so you can just ask them to just go to app and you can see the videos.
Okay.
Yeah.
So regarding the online classes, you have Zoom integration or your own?
So both the things we have. We have our own platform for conducting live, that is Go Live, and we will integrate your Zoom classes as well, sir.
Zoom has a time limit of 40 minutes for unlicensed.
Yes.
So we have to use again go for license or?
So it completely depends upon you, sir. We can integrate either of your Zoom account. If it's paid, we will do. If it's a free version also, we'll just integrate it, sir. It doesn't matter for us.
Your platform, will it allow more than 1 hour or something like that?
Yeah, sir. Obviously.
Is there any time limit for your platform?
Yeah. So we have like Go Live option here. There is no restrictions in the student end, and like for every 4 hours, you need to restart your class for every 4 hours.
Okay. 4 hours is very this thing. 1 hour I want just for every class.
Fine. You can happily take the classes, sir. Here, like in our portal, like in our platform, sir, Go Live, if you want recordings of your live classes to be done, then it would be charged per student 1 rupee per hour. If you want recordings, so that whatever the session you will be conducting,
you charge it, huh?
Sir, in the sense,
no, you record from your end.
Hello.
Yeah.
So I think
I could not understand this. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you, sir. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hello.
Sir, I can hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So
you said something no chargeable.
Yes.
For recording. That is recording done by yours from your end.
Yeah. So that's what I mean to say. I'm explaining you that only. So in Go Live option, the session you will be conducting live, that is auto recorded, sir. you can record your sessions.
Okay.
Okay, for recordings with the package will give 500 hours free. You can record up to 500 hours. Okay, after 500 hours got exhausted,
Okay.
if you want recordings of your live classes, then you will be recharging, sir. You can pay 1,000 rupees and you'll get 1,000 more hours. If you don't want recordings, you can conduct unlimited live classes, no charges.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Clear?
Okay. Sir, next is I want to see the website.
Which website, sir?
Website.
I mean, which website?
Website is integrated in.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
Hello.
Yes, website
Yeah.
is integrated, sir. We will integrate your website.
Yeah.
Are you having your own like website?
Okay. We need to have our own website, and you are going to integrate it.
Yes, obviously.
Okay, because some of the platforms have their own website development tool. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay. So you don't have that facility to generate our own website.
No, sir. Website we never
Sir,
create.
sorry for the interruption, sir. Here. Sorry for the interruption, sir.
Okay.
Sir, sorry for the interaction here. Sir, the thing is here, as per you will be the admin of the app. So the client will be the admin of the app. So we'll be taking the domain name, like website name from the client. So if you provide your live domain, by that we will integrate you. Okay, the whoever will be your students, they can log in with your own website. Or else if you have already a website with you, sir. Okay, already we have a website. There you can put one login option there. By that you can integrate there our website link.
Okay.
By that your student can be logged in directly through your website and he can see the portal also.
Okay. So from students and how the application will look?
Sir, in the same way, now how you are seeing here, the same way the look also overview also will be, but some of the options will be not visible as the faculty and the student has some difference. And there will be some edit option for the faculty as well. There won't be any edit option for the students.
Mustafa,
all
sir.
the visibility will be.
Yeah. So for better understanding, for better experience, I'll just log in through my phone and I'll show one of
Sure.
existing app. Yeah.
Yeah, you can. It will be good.
Fine. So sir, I'm just login with my mobile phone, wherein we can able to see our student name, sir. I'll show one of my existing client app. Just 1 minute. Stop sharing here. Is my screen visible, sir? Hello. Can you able to see my screen?
Yeah. See.
I'll just open Arvind Academy app, sir. This is how we can put your logo.
Okay.
This will happen once the application opened by the student.
Okay.
Here they can able to see the banners.
So I think there are some advertisement or something like that, no?
So these advertisement which been paid by the that particular company to the Arvind Academy. These are like paid advertisements.
They will be there in our this thing also.
No, it will never come to your app, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Then here they can able to see the banners, which and all courses you will be offering to the student, and what are the placements has been done till now.
Okay.
Things you can just showcase here. And if they want to watch any videos, they'll just go to watch video section. Here they can able to see the list of videos which has been uploaded by you.
Okay.
Then just go to study material for to see the materials chapter wise.
Okay.
Then test series will be there. Some practice test he has been assigned.
Okay. Is there any facility for lead generation?
No, sir. that kind of things, Mustafa sir?
That is like we can store the email and send the students our brochures and all.
Yeah, sir. Sir, one thing is here. Okay, as we are creating an app, sir, we will be integrating like some of the social media options like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn in the side menu. If you are posting anything else through that page, your app link also will be.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Sir, when you are posting something else through that Facebook or Twitter from our app, okay, the app link also will be displayed in your post. That is one option. Okay, there is one more option, sir, in the app. There is, if you required in the side menu, you can put one registration form also. If you require.
See, because we wanted to use it as a email marketing tool also.
Okay.
For example, we will get the database of POC students, POC commerce students, and
Right.
we wanted to send them our brochures, mailers, and whatever the promotional things.
Right, sir.
So is that facility is there?
Sir, we don't have email facility as of now, so email marketing facility. If, here we can have some of the social media marketing options, sir. Yeah, by
Email
that
marketing you
your
don't have.
app can be, yeah, you will be getting more students for the enrollment through the ad what you will be posting.
No, because why I'm telling you is in Twitter Plus there is a lead generation option is also there.
Yes, sir.
The
That is the thing.
Proctor.
Proctor. Yeah.
Yeah. Lead generation option is also there. So that's why I asked.
No, sir. Sir, in the lead generation option, in the sense what they are displaying, sir, there?
No, not displaying actually. Just we will store the database of the students and we will send the promotional materials. Maybe a demo video or maybe a brochure, something like that. So that they can take admission. They can be. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I can hear you. Can you hear me, sir?
So, is there any facility for that?
So here there is an option, sir. As Rahul has already explained you, the student who has downloaded your app, you will be getting their database as usually from the data of app downloads. You will be getting their all the data itself, like mobile number, email ID. Okay. If you want to share the email marketing, or if you want to do.
No, these are our students.
Right, sir.
To catch the other students for the new academic year.
So to catch the other student for the new academic year, you have to do from the social media options only, sir.
Yeah, sir.
That option is there. Is there.
Sir, I'll just give you a clarification. Sir, here we are giving you a platform for your coaching business. With that help of that, so we have our marketing team, sir, like those who are having marketing knowledge more than 6 years. So they will connect with you in the weekends. They will give you a roadmap how you can do organic marketing. So for example, let's say you have some YouTube channels. Okay. So a student just finished his +2. So later what he's searching. Okay. So those kind of strategy you can make. So like what kind of keywords I need to list, and let's say for Facebook, you can just give some post or materials. For more information, you download our application from Google Play Store, and you can copy paste your application link. So once students downloads your application, you will get their database here. Okay. Later, we have a marketing notification panel wherein you can send the customized notification. Let's say some students have been downloaded your application, but they haven't purchased any course and they haven't added any of your batch. You can just attract that particular crowd, sir. Kind of a marketing notification you'll just receive from Myntra, Flipkart, or Amazon. No, same way we can send the notification to the students, those who haven't registered for you. I hope I've cleared your doubt.
Yeah, okay. That's right. So the package is again divided into like many other offers, or is it a single offer?
So basically,
like level 1, level 2, something like that.
No, sir, it's not like that. Basically, we have two packages. One is Class Plus Max and Class Plus Starter. So you will be needing this Class Plus starter package because as you told, we don't need the payment management option because we have our own
Yeah, yeah.
payment option. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll be quoting
Mhm.
you Class Plus starter package with you will be needing iOS app, sir. iOS app on iOS.
No.
No, website integration we do. So Android
No.
application with the test portal and with website
Mhm.
integration, I'll be giving you
Mhm.
for 13,000 rupees, sir.
So this starter pack,
Starter pack with the test portal.
along with that marketing support, that
Which
what you told, no, our team will help you to
that
get the
is by
deals,
default,
something like
sir.
that.
Like that is free
By
of cost only.
default.
Free of cost only, sir.
Mhm.
Like this is a
Okay.
complimentary thing we are doing you from our South team, sir. Like we will help our teachers to grow. Like we'll just give some inputs which we learned from our experience.
So this can be opened in desktop also.
Yeah.
How the home page in the desktop will look?
Let me show you one of my existing client websites, sir. I just
Please.
log into chandanlogics.com. So this is his main website, sir, which been developed by his own. Okay, here under mock exams, we have just integrated our web portal. So student, if they want to get into the web portal of the mobile application, just he'll click on mock exams. Then it will redirect to the home page of the mobile app. I mean, in the web portal. So here they can able to see the list of courses which been published by the Chandan Logics.
Okay. If we don't have the website,
Then we will give you our main website, that is web.classplusapp.com. See, this one you can use, sir. So getting it?
hello. Pardon?
I mean, you ask me if you don't have our website, then what is the case?
Yeah. We don't want to integrate with our website. Just we wanted to see it through the desktop, open it through the desktop.
Yeah. So then what the case is, we will just integrate in the web.classplusapp.com. So we will give a separate ORG code. You will be entering that ORG code. Then it will redirect to the your version, your app.
Okay. So how that looks?
That's what, sir. I just showed you. Know this is the thing how they can able to see.
Oh, okay. This is a screen what we get directly.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, sir. Almost. Okay. That is. Have you supplied in Karnataka any commerce college or something like that?
Yeah. We have like so many clients in Karnataka, sir. Where exactly you are from?
Hubli.
Hubli. In Hubli, Dharwad, like we have Srushti PU College, and then like one of the famous client, a teacher for banking school of banking, Dr. Gururaj Bulbule.
No, we don't want coaching and tuition institutes. We want colleges only.
Mustafa sir, do you have any clients list across this?
Yeah, we have some of the client lists across that. I will share you.
Okay, sir. Post this meeting, I'll just let you know, sir. I'll just let you know the things like those who are using.
Yeah, you can share the these links and if possible phone numbers also so that I can get the feedback. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You're audible.
If you can share the links for any Karnataka or North Karnataka in particular, if you have given any like commerce colleges, BBA colleges, BCA colleges, please provide me the links and phone numbers.
Okay.
I'll just contact them.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Yeah. Okay. I think I got sufficient information.
Yeah.
Again, I think we have to meet it again with our principal, sir. Again, another meeting is required.
Okay.
You please share